My favorite epic build was the robotics one because I liked working in a team.
My favorite epic build was the second because I made my scuba diver sprite go forwards in Scratch.
I liked the My Data project because it was fun. I liked building with the Legos. I liked using Scratch because we coded different sprites to spin.
My favorite project was the first epic build that we did. So it's a pole position game. So we have 3 tracks. There is an easy backdrop, a medium backdrop, and a hard backdrop. And these are the 2 cars that I made to verse each other in the race.
My biggest challenge was creating and coding our robot puppy because we had to figure out exactly what would work so it would do the things we wanted it to do. When we were done, we were proud of ourselves for figuring out how for it to do that thing because it was hard.
My biggest challenge was to code Mercy with all these blocks. Different blocks are making Mercy say different things.
My favorite thing this year was Scratch. It's very creative and I am very proud of myself when my sprites spin and change color.
My favorite part of using Scratch is drawing the backdrops, and this is how my backdrops work. I have this backdrop. It's like sort of a pet store theme with some crates in it. There's a cat in that one. There's a cat in the red one and a dog in the brown one. I really liked sharing my Scratch programs because I could share them and anyone in the world could see them and they could leave comments and just help me out with newer projects.
In 4th grade, our epic build project is to build a Jamestown fort, which we learned about all the way in Virginia Studies. This is my Jamestown fort so far. As you can see, it's very unfinished, but we are working on it. It's really cool how we were able to turn Virginia Studies into Minecraft, which I couldn't believe that we could do when we first started it. But now when I think of it, it's very cool.
When I was coding, there was always like some problem, and when you're coding, there was always going to be a problem. So you have to like go back and watch what is happening step by step.
What I think we'll take into coding next year will probably be Minecraft, because it's not only the coding aspect, is that what you get wrong and what you get right. Because if you get something wrong, then you have to go back in the code and fix that, and you're problem solving off of that and putting new blocks in and trying new things.
I learned this year that I'm great at coding.
It was very cool how we were able to be a computer science school. How we were able to learn coding in a very fun way.
Pretty much doing coding the whole year. There's just, at the end of the day, we're just coding, and I think that's pretty fun.